Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to add name servers in Namecheap, so please listen carefully. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct name server addresses from your hosting provider, and this helps point your domain to your website hosting properly. So first, log into your Namecheap account and then go ahead and click this account setting right here, and then you will go to domain list, and what you will have to do is make sure that you already have your domain here, and then after you see your domain, you will just have to click manage next to the domain that you would want to configure. And after that, what you will have to do is basically just have to scroll down to the name server section. By default, it is set to the Namecheap basic DNS. Then you will select custom DNS from the drop down menu. Next, you will enter the name server addresses provided by your hosting provider, and it is usually NS1 and NS2. And finally, you will just have to click the green check mark or save button. Wait a few hours for DNS propagation and double check the name servers have updated correctly. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.